Hi, Lindsay and Sarah. I'm going to look at yours together since you're the last posters. Okay, this is not acceptable to put anything in an art class in a Word file, so I'm not even going to open that. Please resubmit as a JPEG or a PDF. Okay, Lindsay. Oh, that's awesome. You have the right idea. That is fantastic. How did you get such a clean photo? Perfect. Let me see. Great idea. Boy, you put a lot of work into that, and it really shows. I think this is a great portfolio piece, and I recommend, if not this class, in the future, trying to use it in a project, and then you can put a note that says you actually created the font. But it looks fantastic across against the white. There's an animation to it, and I love the dirt, like so you've got a nice meeting of the emotion and just like the implication, death and dirt and just like a human, real guttural emotion in there. I really like it. You did a fantastic job.